If you're a content creator that wants to make 10K a month, you're gonna want to start a Skool community. Let me explain. Creators like E-Man, Andrew Tate, Daddy Wellness, Mino, and so much more are investing $99 a month and turning it into over 20K a month profit. Now, how are they doing this? A Skool community. So let's begin by talking about what is Skool. So if you're a creator with a skill such as being a barber, being a pro chess master, mastering the e-com space, and even gamers can build a Skool community, right? So if you have the sauce for your niche, you have the opportunity to make an extra 10 to 25K a month with Skool and passively. So think of Skool as if Discord had a baby with Teachable. It has all the cool chat features of Discord, like the video calls. So on the left side here is going to be Skool, and on the right side is Discord. And for Skool, it has a built-in calendar that lets your students know when the next live call is. And for Discord, the only way you know when the next live call is if they message everybody in bulk telling them the call is up. Sometimes people have their chats muted, which drops the amount of people showing up to your live calls, right? So this is automatically better for Skool. And the next similar feature would be the different chat channels. So for the Discord side, you can already see that it's so clustered up and it's taking a lot of space. And on the left side, you know, it's the same thing. Everything looks better, everything looks modern, and it takes less screen real estate, right? So another similar feature would be the leveling up system. This is actually my favorite one. Or the more your students interact with the community, the more things they unlock within the community. So let's just say you have multiple courses. They can unlock them as they interact with the chat. This incentivizes your community to interact with each other, which builds a connection. And a feature similar to Teachable would be the course creation. Automatically, they look very similar. Skool allows you to add courses and even different types of courses into one community. You know, let's just say you have nothing but workout modules and your students are questioning about dieting. How can you get shredded? And you don't have that course modules set up. So the cool part about Skool is that you can actually add the dieting course after you build every single course. It keeps it in one platform. You're probably like, why should you build a Skool community as a content creator? Building a community allows you and your audience to connect on another level. With a regular course host, they don't allow your students to interact with you. You would have to send them to Facebook groups, and it just adds another extra step. And it makes people have two different platforms. With Skool, it has both features, the calls, the chat, the courses, everything in one platform to keep things simple. This will allow your audience to stay interacted with your community and will eventually make them into super fans. So this is what you want because they'll eventually be spending big boy money. Think about iShowSpeed. The other time he had a meet and greet, he had a mob of fans waiting outside for him, damn near assaulting him. Now, I'm not saying to turn your fans into aggressive people, but I'm saying the reason why iShowSpeed had a lot of people was because he always kept his chat updated, always told him what's the next move. He made it feel like if he was actually talking to one person instead of thousands of live viewers, right? So this made them build a connection with Speed. So instead of just selling a course, you are building a community all around. This is a product that your audience is literally searching for. They want to learn how to become just like you. Speed can even build a Skool community, showing them how to become live streamers and build a deeper connection with him. And I guarantee you, he'll make more than $100,000 within that month selling that Skool community. Now, I'm going to show you how you can start your own Skool community as a content creator. So let's just say you're someone like Jesse James West, who has a course but doesn't have a community with the course, right? So on the left side here, this is his YouTube page, and you see he has 3 links right here, which sends me to his website where he is selling his courses, right? Now, let's just say he had a community and he would have to send them to Facebook groups. It adds another extra step. You have to buy the course in the website and then go to the Facebook group, and who knows, maybe the course is in a different community. Skool would allow him to have everything all around. I'm going to show you how I would start one for Jesse James West. The link down below in the description. You'll get 2 weeks free and it'll send you to this page right here. Once you have your group name settled, all you have to do is put your card info. I already did this, so let's just skip that step. Once you put all the info, you get sent to this page, which is the landing page, the about page, right? So you upload an image or video, which could be a video sales letter, or you hyping up the community, or even a thumbnail that you have on social media, or any type of thumbnail that showcases your community. You add a full detailed description hyping up your community, what it does, what the goal is, and how can it change people's lives, right? And then right here would be a simple summary about your community, and then the title right here. And then, so once you have the landing page settled, now it's time to start building your actual community. So as you can see here, this is where everybody interacts. And then let's get to the actual course building part, which sends you to this page, Classroom. You see the chest workouts, leg day, dieting, so on and so forth. You can have multiple course modules here and even set up different methods to unlock the course. So this is automatically way better compared to anything I've seen so far. Then you got the live calls, the calendar. This calendar allows your students to see when's the next live call. Once you have everything, now it's time to advertise it. Simple way to advertise it are your own social media platforms, whether that's short form videos, YouTube videos, just hype it up every single day. And I guarantee your audience will fold and join the community, which will eventually turn them into a super fan. Once the school has been created and all the branding is done, all you need to do is make the people come in and interact with everyone. This will get you to build super fans and passive income. And if you want more information about this, feel free to comment down below any questions that you have.